We are in a robot factory, and this is Nick. I'm Coral. Today we will show you many types of the robots and show you the wheel running action for you. And now I will introduce some types of the robots for you. You can see in this poster, and this is the COBOT workstation, and you can see there's the workstation with the table and some positioner. This is the horizontal positioner, and this is a disc type dual axis positioner. You can see this, and this is a single axis roller positioner for some tubes and some double welding robots with a single axis horizontal positioner. Different types, you can find a type suit for your requirements. And if you are in a high requirements working environment, that this is suitable for you because it have a cover outside that can protect your workers or you while working. And there are also some two-set workstations you can see that can save your time. You can do the work while the robot is working here. You can do the loading and unloading here. That can save your time and improve your efficiency. And this is another type of the safety house that can protect you. The robot can work here, and you can do the loading and unloading here. That can protect workers and protect you from the robots to work. And here is the track, is mainly for the long work piece. It's convenient for the robots moving around that can to reach the long work piece. You don't need to and can save your manual workers. And this is other kind of track and some workstation. You can see there are many robots here to work for some huge work piece. And this is the frame positioner. You can for some frames and some huge work piece. And here are some capacitive welding robots here. And this is the multiple workstation. You can see is for some many types of the little work piece. And except the welding robot, we have other kinds of working robot like the palletizing robot and the loading and unloading robots. And we also have some carting robots based on your needs. And you can see the huge robots here. And there are some help to capacity for some other machine. Like this is a robot for the press brake and a production line. Now we are going to show you our factory. And now my colleague Nick will give a short introduction of our company.
It's our robotic welding workplace.
You can see many robots in our warehouse.
We have Sing-Song and many types of robots. So SteviS not just produce the robot, we also have plenty of metal processing automatic machine, such as the laser tube cutting machine, the blender, and the sheet cutting machine, and small tube cutting machine, and also some gantry type of sheet cutting machine, and also the handheld laser welding machine. So we has been dedicated in the metal processing solution for 17 years, and we ship around like 130 countries, and such, especially in Europe, we have many customers in Bulgaria, Slovakia, and Russia, and so on. And we have lots of certifications such as CE, SGS, and ISO 9001. And our brands are chosen by plenty of famous brands like IKEA, BYD, NVIDIA, and also this year we chose by the SpaceX. So we are very professional in the metal processing area industry. So today we're gonna show you the robotic welding solution. So let's go downstairs.
The first robot I want to introduce to you is this. Is with a 1.5 meters arm reach, and this arm can load capacity is about 10 kilograms. And you can see it is 6 axis, and it can weld by some mag gas. And you can see this many axes here, so it's more flexible. And that means it can reach a long distance.
And as you can see, this one have two positioner each side. So the robot will move both sides to weld your workpiece.
Yes, while you are working this one, and you can do the loading and unloading at that positioner. And you can see this is the roller positioner. You can put your huge tubes, and it can roll your tubes automatically. That you don't need to move and handle your tubes manually. You can save your manual cost and can improve the efficiency. It's very suitable for the huge tubes and some heavy workpiece.
Such as like, for example, like this one, it's very good to use the positioner to hold this big workpiece and weld it.
Yes, because you can see this is a round tube. It has a round circle you need to weld. That means you need to turn around this tube. It's very heavy for the manual handle. So if you have the roller positioner, it's very easy to handle this welding. Normally, we will set two positioner with one robot because it can do the unloading and working at the same time. That can improve our customers' efficiency. And this is the cabinet. This is equipped with the high-quality electric system. It can ensure the welding quality and keep the welding stably. This is the mainly MIG welding for the thick and huge workpiece.
And if your workpiece needs to bearing the weight, such as, for example, like some furniture and bicycle welding, is very the MIG welding is very good for your workpiece, because MIG welding can provide more stable and more strong weld seam, and to make sure your workpiece is more stable.
And this is the gun cleaner. Because the MIG welding will have some welding spatter, some metal spatter that make some jam in the gun. So you need to clean your gun daily. That can keep the lifespan of your machine. And this is the gun cleaner. After the welding, the welding head will move to this position and to do the cleaning automatically. Is normally equipped with our customers' requirements. If you need one, we can also make a set for you. It's important for the maintenance of the welding robot. This is the smaller robot. Actually, it's the same type with that robot, but it's smaller. And this is the cabinet. So this cabinet is also a smaller power than the one before. You can see the control system here.
And we use the top range of the electrical components.
Yes, the top brands that can keep the quality of the machine and also the welding. And this is the wire feeder. Because for the mic welding is usually the heavy and thick workpiece. So sometimes the welding seam will be huge. So you need to add some wire to fill the welding seam.
To make sure the welding seam is tight and strong enough. Tight and strong enough.
This is also a roller positioner. You can see this is a heavy and huge tube.
And you can see the weld seam right here is very smooth. And it's very strong.
The big difference with the laser welding and mic welding is about the welding appearance. You can see the welding seam here. Even it's neat, but it's very huge. So if you have the welding appearance requirement, that the mic welding is not suitable for you. You need to choose the laser welding. And this have a shot. And this is the welder. We use the magnet welder. It's based on your workpiece thickness and material. We choose the suitable power for you. The magnet is the top brand of China that can improve the quality of the welding.
And this is our handheld laser welding machine. And we are using Rakers laser source for this. And this one is very convenient.
And this is the mini chiller here. This 4-in-1 machine can do the welding, cleaning, and welding seam cleaning and cutting. It's very suitable and convenient machine for some small workpiece.
And it's very easy to use.
Yes.
And we also have multi-language in this system, so don't worry about the language barrier.
And this is a very small machine. It can save your space for many functions.
And you can basically take it everywhere to do the welding job.
And it's very easy to handle it. You don't need to have any technical experience on it.
So we'll have some welding section to show on this screen. So please stay tuned.
And this is the COBOT. It's much smaller than the robots you see before.
And we'll show you how this COBOT works after the introduction. So for this one, we can also have a welding seam scanner. This one is very good for your welding seam track, to track the welding seam more accuracy.
The laser scanner is mainly for the mic welding, because for some mic welding requirements is usually the huge and big workpiece. It may have some difference in the thickness and some huge welding seams. Then this scanner can adjust your welding seam and to improve the welding accuracy.
And make sure your welding is always on the track.
Yes, and if you are the laser welding, that if you want to improve the laser welding accuracy, that is also suitable for you. As you can see, this is the color different from our other machines. We can do the OEM and ODM. You want to do the customized color, we can also customize for you.
So this is also the tool positioner, both sides.
It's the frame positioner. You can see this kind. You can put your sheets and some plates here, and then can turn the plates and sheets around to weld another side.
We also have this protective panel to protect you away from the laser light, to protect your eyes and your space.
And you can see here is some samples. It's a huge and thick tubes here, so it's very heavy for manual handling. But you just put on the positioner, then it can turn around automatically. And this is the
wire feeder.
You can see this is the copper here. You just add the material you need. And the diameter is also based on your requirements. If your welding seam is huge, then you can edge the bigger diameter wire for you.
So now we're taking you to the COBOT section and show you how the COBOT works.
And this is our COBOT stress dump, and we are ready to ship to our customers.
Who from Bosnia. And as you can see, we just do the texting, and you can see the welding seam right here is very smooth, and it's very accurate, and it's very strong. And also the COBOT is very easy to use. And you see the light is turning green, and press this button and you can move the COBOT anywhere you want. See, it's very easy. And you can set up your programs into this control panel, and after that you can move this COBOT. You can move this COBOT and click the buttons upstairs to do the positioning, and the COBOT will do the weld seam tracking automatically, and then weld the workpiece automatically. So as you can see the panels right here, we'll have English and Chinese language in this system.
One more time.
So press this button, and when the lights turn green, and you can move the COBOT everywhere. And also you can turn around and turn around. And as you can see, the movement is very smooth, and it's very easy to control. And after you finish the move, and you can release the button, and the COBOT will be stopped. That's how it works.
And you can see this control. You can just take here and stand far from the robots that can make you safe and protect you from the laser hurts. And this is the wire feeder here.
This one also has a wire feeder, and this is the welding machine. This is the welding machine.
It's also used the Magmate brand. It's a top brand that can ensure the welding quality and to make your welding more stably. And you can see the white here is of the copper material. Actually, this is based on your requirements, and you can see the diameter is about 1 millimeter. It is also based on your workpiece, because we are now welding the thick plate, so we will use a big diameter wire to do the welding. And here is the gas we use, and you can see the pressure here. The gas you choose is also based on your requirements, like the oxygen is more good appearance, and the nitrogen and oxygen is more stable. It's also based on your requirements. And now we will show you this COBOT works.
只下寒，即只下寒節喎。啊係。So now our engineer will show you how the COBOT weld this workpiece. Yes, we have the robotic SteviS laser welding, and if you want to know more about this machine's detail, you can leave your message, and um, our designer will contact you. You can see the welding seam right here. It's very smooth and it's very strong and it's very accurate.
Show you the welding robots, but our robots actually contain us. We can also do the customization for you. And you can see this is also a frame positioner, but it's much huge than the one we see before. And this robot is also equipped with a track. As you can see, it's mainly for some huge workpiece, like some heavy duty and some sheets. You can just put your heel workpiece here and you do the turning around automatically. You don't need to handle your heavy workpiece manually.
As you can see,
And this is the track. That means the robots can move forward and backward automatically to adjust the welding length.
and also you can see we got both sides have the protective panel, and when your robot is starting to weld the workpiece, the protective panel will go up automatically to protect you away from the fireworks and the lasers. And also this robot is from the very top brands in the world. It's the standard.
Our longest robot arm is about 2 meters. If you want to weld a long distance, long workpiece, that we will recommend the track for you. You can see this is also a track. It's a 6-meter track for the 6-meter workpiece. It's mainly for the heavy duty industry that you don't need to move the workpiece. You just move, the robot can move automatically. And the welder and the cabinet is also on the track. That can save your space. For some long tube, we also equip with a roller positioner that you can turn your tubes around to do the all-round circle welding. This positioner is also with a track. You can adjust by your workpiece length.
And also, if your factory is big, we will suggest you to use this type of tank laser robotic welding, because this one you can control by the remote, and you can move this little vehicle to help you to move the welding robot to weld your workpiece in your factory. So if you have a very big space of the factory, then we will suggest you to use this one, which can save you more time and labor.
This is another frame positioner with the robots. It equipped with 2 sets of the frame positioner and a gun cleaner. You can see there is a frame on the positioner already. Like this huge frame, you don't need to turn around the frame and sheet by manual. You can just put here and it will turn around. Then you can weld another side.
And all the clamp is by using this cylinder, and you can use this to control all the cylinder to clamp your workpiece. It's very easy to use.
We equip with 2 sets positioner because it can save your time. You can do the welding on this positioner and do the loading and unloading on another positioner. Then you can do the working and loading and unloading in the same time. That can improve your efficiency and improve your production. And here is the gun cleaner. Because while welding, there will some metal spatter that will make some jam on your welding head. So you need to do the maintenance daily. to clean your metal head. Otherwise, if your welding head is with a jam, it will much affect your welding quality and make some problems of your robots. So to lengthen your lifespan of the robots, the daily maintenance is very important. You can see the welding here. It's a very huge and heavy tube.
等一下，我们那个之前焊的时候，你拿我的手机帮我拍一点焊字。
It's welding by a tank robot because it's not a very long tube, so we don't need to move the tank.
So as you can
Let's see the welding quality. This is the mild welding, so you have a very huge and thick welding seam.
So you can see the welding seam right here is very strong and it's very thick. So make sure your workpiece, every welding part is stable and is well connected with the tube.
And this is also the sample. We can see the welding strength is very stable.
And this is the button of the robot. You can put the robots on this supporter and to hold your robot. So now let's change the side and weld.
As you can see, it's very tired and difficult when you handle the thick and heavy tubes. So we also recommend our customers to equip with some precisioner that can make a safer environment for your workers and can save you many costs. This is a little tube. It's also welding by the robot.
So now our engineer is showing how this robot will work. So it's same as the COBOT. We have the control panel.
You can see the robots first will do the point welding to position.
And the positioner will move the workpiece automatically.
And to weld another side. That can make sure the welding is stable. You can see it's very convenient and automatically. You don't need to do any other process after you improve the program.
And after the welding, the positioner will turn back. You can see the steam.
The positioner can turn around so it can make sure the welding is totally weld both sides.
So as you can see, a welding seam. So it's very convenient because the positioner can help you to turn the workpiece each side and help you to make sure your workpiece can weld good enough.
And this is the gun cleaner. After the welding, you can do once cleaning here and to clean your welding hand.
So this is the control panel. We have English and also the Chinese in this system. So you don't have to worry about the language barrier. So this is the accessories that will. This is the accessories for the robot welding.
Yes.
So you can see the nozzle.
The nozzle is
There's a and this is another nozzle. Nozzle is for the robot. And this is a frame positioner. So our engineer is setting up another welding section right here. So as you can see, the colors is different with another blue color robot because we could uh, offer the OEM ODM service to help you to customize any colors that you like to. So you can just send us the color that you want, and we will customize the color for you. Okay, so we're starting to weld a huge and thick workpiece, and make sure don't watch the light; it will hurt the. So as you can see, the weld seam is very strong and very thick.
If you work in the furniture or some sheets, that the frame positioner is suitable for you. If you work in some tools industry or some heavy duty industry, that the roller positioner is good for you. It's mainly for handling some huge tools.
If your factory space is very massive, then the tank type robotic welder is very suitable for you, because you don't have to. You can make sure every workpiece can be welded, and control this one with a remote. And also, if you want to weld something long workpiece, then you can use this welding the
Track,
track
yes.
track welder to help you to weld something long.
If you want a shorter or a longer track, we can also customize the track for you to adjust your length. And this roller positioner is also can customize the length. We can choose the laser welding or the mic welding. The mic welding is more suitable for the heavy duty industry, and the laser welding is more for some high appearance requirement industry like the decorative products, because the laser welding seam will much smaller than the mic welding, that it can improve your appearance. But like the heavy duty industry and some furniture and some huge tubes, that requires the stability. So the mic welding is more suitable for you, because the mic welding thing is much thick and more stable, that it can handle a much strength capacity. And different gas have different welding effect. So please let me know your requirements, like you are in the furniture industry or heavy duty industry, and what's your product, that we can make the solution for you based on your requirements.
Yes. You can also send pictures of the workpiece, the material, the size of your workpiece, and how thick of your workpiece to us, and we will help you to define which welding solution you suit you. Either is the laser welding or the MIG welding.
Yes, we can also choose the gas for you, and the laser head, the robot's arm, and track which positioner is suitable for you. So just tell us your requirements. We can do the all-in-one solution for you. We are not just offer you the machines, we offer the solution for you that you can receive the machine perfectly meet your requirements.
We would like to improve your whole production efficient. So not just one machine and use for one workpiece. It's we would like to help you to improve all your workstation efficient and reduce your labor cost and earn more profit in your own industry.
Yes, we believe that the fax machine is not the most expensive one. It must be the most suitable one for you.
And we are not just provide a robotic welder. We also have another welder such as platform welder, online welder to help you to produce the tube, and also the handheld laser welder.
Yes, we will recommend the machines that totally meet your needs.
And we also have laser cutting machines such as the sheet cutting machine and the tube cutting machine. And for different size of the tubes or the sheet, we will offer different types of cutting machine for you.
Yes. So if you have some special requirements, like you just have a little space, or you want to improve your cutting or welding speed, or some other requirements, just let us know. We will make sure that our solution can meet your needs. And today, we show you many kinds of robots, and I guess we have shown more details for you next time. So just follow us, and if you have requirements, just contact our account or our company. And thanks for your watching today.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Bye bye.